Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I am going to show you a quick tour of a motor van or a camper van that I hired for my birthday just for 2 nights. So me and my girlfriends, we decided to go on this short road trip, and camper van is something that I always wanted to do. I was so fascinated by traveling in the camper van since I was a child, and this is like a dream come true, and I'm super excited to show you how the van looks from inside. Apart from just showing you the van, I'm also going to share the costings involved in me hiring this van. So stay tuned and hope you enjoy this video. If you do, please like, and if you have any questions regarding how I hired it or anything, any questions regarding how I planned this trip and stuff, feel free to leave it in the comment section below. So without wasting much time, let's go and have a look at the van. So that's the van, like you can see from here. It's a Mercedes Sprinter with 3 occupancy. So this is our camping site, which is a powered site, and it is river facing. Look how beautiful it is. Come. Okay, like I said, this is like a 3-seater van. So if you get in, that's the driver's seat. That's the passenger seat, and then there's another only one can sit here. So this can accommodate 3 people. So one there, one here, and obviously another one here. This actually also gets converted to a bed. So let me show you. So this can also get converted to a bed, and you can pretty much sleep, like one person can nicely sleep here. And if you come in, there's also reading lights, which for some reason isn't working, or it is working. There's reading lights as well. And there is some space for storage, which we already have used for obvious reasons, because we've been traveling for 2 days. Got some water and some Indian snacks. Okay, I'm going to put this back and take you in. Oh, another thing I forgot to show you. So there's a table right here, which comes with this rod. Come in. So I'm going to take this, put it away. Right here. And there's this thing. So this is so perfect when you want to have your lunch, dinner or whatever, or if you even want to sit and chill with few snacks. And these seats are also rotatable, so it can just turn the direction, and 3 people can very comfortably sit and travel. Come in. So I'm going to switch on the lights. So there's all these lights. I'm going to switch lights on. There's reading lights power. This thing for reading lights, I can switch it on off. There's one for media, range hood, and that's That's all the buttons for toilet, water pump, water heater. And there's a player for playing MP3 and audio songs and stuff like that. So here, as you can see, this is the kitchen area. Let me move this away. This is the kitchen area. And like you can see, there's 3 burners. 3 burners. And on this side, there's sink. And there's running water coming here. Available all day. Got this one. So the 3 burners, it comes with, so you don't have to carry a lighter or anything because there's inbuilt lighter, and pretty much that's how it works. Easy and simple. There's range hood, so there's lights for cooking if you want to cook at night and stuff like that. There's exhaust space here as well. Like you can see, I have some noodles, I have some bread and whatever. There's this wine glasses and stuff like that. So there's enough storage. I wouldn't complain about the storage because there is actually a lot of space to keep in your stuff. And there's 4 drawers, like you can see. So it comes with all the cutlery, so you don't carry any cutlery. Pretty much you have pretty much everything. Even bottle openers, peeler. Thing that I bought for myself. It's up to you. So they also give you chopping boards. Like you can see, there's chopping board, there's knife, there's pretty much every essential things that's required for a kitchen. Some bowls, some serving plates, and also some coffee mugs. You can see only one here, but there's another 2 which is out for washing. All right. Again, a lot of storage space. So that is the fridge. So I've used it all, but it is pretty spacious as well, I would say. And that's it. Moving to this section, like I said, there's also a lot of storage here. So there's your vessels and whatever cooking required items. I'm just using this space as storage for now. So that's another storage unit. There's microwave. Nice and easy. Some more storage. You can pretty much hang your clothes and stuff. There's also a TV, a mini TV. How cool is that? But the problem is you can't use it as a normal TV for obvious reason. Like you can say, you can take your DVDs and also USBs to play your movies and things. And there's also a HDMI port. So if you want to connect it to your laptop or mobile, that's possible as well. So it's pretty cool and very nicely positioned, very compact. So once you see, I'm going to make this as a bed. So it's very convenient. You can just lie down and chill and watch movies and stuff here. And there's also 2 power slots for charging your phone, your laptop, or whatever electronic devices. So I'm going to switch off the reading. The beauty is the windows are really big and very clear. So if you see, like, okay, so now I'm going to show you how I'm going to make this into a bed. So this thing, like I showed you before, this easily comes off. So I'm going to leave it here maybe. And this rod comes off as well. I'm going to put it here for now. So the same thing is used for making the base of the bed as well. So I'm going to put it here. Goes in, so this is going to form a base of the bed, and it comes with 2 planks. There are 2 planks that come to the bed, so one of which will go right here. right here. Oops. Another one right here. And that's it. So that's our bed with 3 pillows. How convenient is that? So there's so much space. There's also aircon that comes with a very small remote. Got to show you the bathroom, so let's have a look at it. So that's how it's just like a very small and compact one. So there's a toilet and also there's a shower area, but we didn't use it because we just use the washrooms in the camping sites. Now let's talk about the costing involved. So I had to book this van for a minimum of 5 days because that's what was available, but I actually ended up using only for 3 days. But anyways, for the entire 5 days, I paid 530 Australian dollars, which included insurance, and it was a zero liability insurance. Because it was only 3 girls driving, we really didn't want to take a risk. So we went for the no liability insurance. But if you are happy to pay some liability, you will be able to get this for even a cheaper price. But I think 530 for 5 days, it's still a very good deal. I'm going to give you links of the website where I did the booking from. The booking procedure was pretty simple and straightforward. I just had to choose which van I liked, and I just made the entire payment upfront, and I was able to pick up the van from Botany, just near airport, and the pickup and drop off procedure was pretty simple as well. In terms of documentation, all I required was just license, my Australian license, and that's about it. So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave it in the comment section below, and I'll see you soon with another video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.